Welcome back to my channel today. I will show you how to create 3D animation using an AI tool. I hope you can create your own 3D animation movie. So let us get started. To begin using the video to 3D animation converter, you need to create a Deep Motion account after sign up. Deep Motion AI, click on the Animate 3D menu. Click the Get Started button now. Click on the 3D Models menu in this menu. In this example, we will use the Ready Player Me avatar generator. First, choose your body type. You can upload your photo to convert it into a 3D avatar, or you can choose the Continue Without Photo option. Select an avatar model and click next to proceed. You can customize the skin color, basic face shape, and various face details like eyes, eyebrows, nose, lip, and hair. In this example, after uploading the video here, you trim or crop the video using the Trim and Crop button if necessary. Once done, click the Save button. Go to the Video Output menu, enable the MP4 output option, uncheck the Include Original Video option, and change the custom background to a solid green color. Set the camera mode to cinematic and enable or disable shadow and audio output as desired. When ready, click the Create button to convert your video into a 3D animation using Deep Motion AI. After the generation process is complete, Download button, select MP4 format and click Download to save your animation video. To combine the 3D video animation and animated background use, such as Canva, import your animation video. You place the animated background on the first video layer and position the 3D video animation on the upper layer. Select the Cutout menu and use the Auto Cutout option to remove the green screen area. The video result from this Deep Motion AI tutorial. Now you can create your own animation video using AI. Thank you for watching this AI tutorial video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support my work.